In this video, I'll show you how to manually set existing contacts as marketing contacts in Hubspot. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and navigating to the Contacts section in your CRM. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your existing contacts. Select the checkboxes next to the contacts you want to mark as marketing contacts. Then click on the More drop-down at the top of the table. From there, you can either enroll these contacts into a workflow or edit their communication subscriptions. This ensures they are properly categorized as marketing contacts. Next, make sure to add the legal basis for contacting these individuals as well as their communication consent. Once everything is filled out, click Finish to apply the changes. And that's it. Your selected contacts are now set as marketing contacts and ready for your campaigns. Thanks for watching. Check the description for useful links, and I'll see you in the next video.